We're here doing this re-inspection on this old HVAC unit. This is a heat pump, and you can tell how old it is by looking at the serial number. You see that letter L? That means this is from 2002. So it's 23 years old. And it wasn't working when we were here the first time. It just wasn't turning on. There was an issue with it. And so what happened was they asked for it to be fixed. They called us back out for a re-inspection, and we'll come back out and make sure it's working. And what we're looking for is a split or a temperature differential, meaning the temperature going in the air filter area versus coming out, or the supply and return. And we want about 18 to 22 degree colder temperatures coming out than going in. And this 23-year-old unit is now blowing proper temperatures. So difficult thing is, I talked to the buyer, and while it's working now, it's difficult because it'd almost be ideal if it wasn't working and she could get herself a new HVAC unit. And so nothing wrong with a unit that's blowing cold temperatures and seemingly working, but it's one of those things. It's a 23-year-old unit that can go out at any time, and so it's probably time to budget for a new unit, or at least put aside some money or save up, because again, that can go out anytime, and it wouldn't really be a surprise to anybody being as old as it is. So just because something's old doesn't always mean it'll get replaced. I have water here, it's from 2006, and it's still working. This person has a 23-year-old air conditioner. I have a 20-year-old air conditioner at my house, and it's still working. Not as the one at my house doesn't work as well as it should, but I know eventually it might go out and I'm gonna have to get a new one. So just know that old age doesn't necessarily mean replacement at a home inspection.